Alright, problem 15, let's take a look. We need to factor. So we'll get 2x plus 3 and x minus 4 over x plus 4x minus 4. And we get to cancel out these x minus 4's right here. So immediately we know that the domain is x does not equal negative 4, which means we have a vertical asymptote at x equals negative 4. We have an x-intercept at the 0 of the numerator, which is 2x plus 3 equals 0. So 2x equals negative 3. So x equals negative 3 over 2. And lastly, we do have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 2 over 1. We're looking at the coefficients of 2x squared and 1x squared. So y equals 2. So here's what our graph's going to look like. Horizontal asymptote, vertical asymptote at negative 4. Horizontal asymptote at 2. And an intercept at negative 1.5. And so the graph is going to look like this. I believe we're going to go to the graphing calculator to check on that. I've already typed it in, so it should just pop up. And yep, there we go. Graph looks like that, and graph looks like this, going in both directions. One thing that I do want to point out on this, not hugely important for right now, it comes up a little bit later in the textbook and in other applications. You'll notice here that we did have x minus 4 in the denominator, so you can't plug in 4 for x. If you plug in 4 for x, you get 0 in the denominator. That is not allowed. And you'll notice here, if we look at our table, if you plug in 4 for x, you do get an error. But if we go over here to 4, it looks like it's still working. So what's going on here? There's a hole right here at x equals 4. It jumps right over that spot. Can't exist at 4. 3.99, sure, no problem, but 4, no good.